So this corner we tore it apart and rebuilt the bottom. Laid some boards in. I did not nail them in because I know they're going to shrink some. So next time we come, I'll push them tight, nail them. And then in doing so, I decided to do this. For some reason, got this idea to build this out. That way, originally I thought the railing would go from here to here, just shorter. But now I'm thinking this is a really nice place for little steps. And that way we can come from the vehicle right in, right onto the porch and around, rather than around the sidewalk. That way if we want to put stuff up here, meantime we can. It would be, I think, handy. And we need to keep this open anyways for where we put wood in. That needs to be redone. But so real happy with this idea. Also on the porch, did some more molding over there. Brought the molding around to here, so I need some more 3.5 inch. And you can see what we did here. A couple diamonds in to give it a little spice. Did a lot of scraping. Obviously got a lot more scraping to do. And I thought I would get at this, but didn't get to it. That's okay. Really needed the base done first anyway, so next time we'll finish putting the boards in, nail these, and then we need to rip this out and fix this. So that's where we're at here.